Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to make buttermilk. So the next time you come across a recipe that requires buttermilk, you can easily make it. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you like this video, and also leave us a comment down below. Please stay tuned. Make buttermilk, there are so many ways, but today's video I'm going to show you how to make buttermilk the easiest and simplest way. And first I'm going to start with whole milk. This is 1 cup of whole milk. You can use whatever milk you want to use, almond, your choice of milk, but this is 1 cup of whole milk. 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and this is all natural distilled white vinegar. You can use apple cider vinegar you want, or you can use lemon juice. Any form of acid, you want any form of acid to make this buttermilk. If we were to use the lemon, we would cut it in half and use 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to the 1 cup of milk, but we're not using the lemon today, so that would be it to make the buttermilk. So today we're going to use 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and we're just gonna add the vinegar to it just like that, and then we're just gonna give it a mix, and you're gonna notice it's gonna get thick or curdle up, and you can just put this aside for 5 minutes, and then you're gonna notice that after 5 minutes you're gonna notice a change. It's gonna be thickened, as I said before. See? And this is perfectly fine. This is exactly how you want it to be. And you can store this up to 3 days, 4 days. You can store this up to 3 to 4 days. See, this is how you want it after making it. After you add the acid to it, or vinegar or lime, this is exactly how you want it to be. If you use it right away, you can just go ahead and store it into a clean container. And put it into the fridge for up to 3 to 4 days. If you find this video useful, please give us a like and share this video. Leave us a comment down below and subscribe if you aren't already subscribed. And thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Buttermilk.